back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys a haul that I did over at Frank Garcia Studio. And if you guys have never been over there, he is up in Upland, California. And I highly suggest you guys take a peek and stop by. But I was there on Sunday, and here is his super cute business card. And that is the information. So check out his website as well. So I'm first going to show you the little things that I got, and then I will share with you the new collection that he's put out called Santa Baby. Oh my gosh, you guys are going to love it if you like non-traditional Christmas colors. So let's get started because I went a little crazy and just couldn't help myself. So I had lunch with my girls Sophia and Armin. Hey ladies! And it had been forever since we had met up, so it was really nice to see them. And then we were literally right down the street from Frank's studio, so of course we had to go in because Anna had showed a haul that she did at Frank's studio with the new Santa Baby collection. So I blame some of this hauling on Anna. Hey girl. So these actually are just loose 12 by 12 Prima collections that were actually in the clearance section at his store. So I just picked up some just because I love my paper, and they're just gorgeous, and some of them I don't even have any of the collection for. So I got this one from Rose Quartz, and these are the cut aparts, and it has that beautiful rose gold foiling in it, and then this beautiful wood grain on the back. I did get this cut apart for the Sweet Peppermint collection, and I think I grabbed a couple of the 12 by 12s at the expo last year. Where it is, I couldn't tell you, but I just love these. It's vintage, but I love the soft pastel colors of it. And then here is another one from the Sweet Peppermint, and I guess you can cut these apart if you want, but you can use them all together. And there's that sweet peppermint stripe on the back. This collection I never picked up because I don't have any babies. So, but I love the shabbiness of it. So this is the Heaven Sent 2 collection, and it has this beautiful silver foiling through it with these gorgeous pink roses. And then here is the back. You can never go wrong with polka dots. So I did grab 2 of these, and all of these were half off, so they were 50 cents a piece. And this one is also from the Heaven Sent 2 collection, and I just couldn't help myself. So I think I can also incorporate this in some spring projects actually, just because of just this image. I can cover up the welcome. And this one has some silver foiling in it as well, and the mint green polka dot. And I could not resist with this one, and I figured I could also use this for Christmas just because of the deer, and just kind of work around the rattle. So there's the back of that. And I got this one because it is just shabby and it has the silver foiling, and I love the butterflies. And cream with gray polka dots. This is from the Cherry Blossom collection, and I don't have any of this collection either, but I love butterflies. So I got this one, and then on the reverse side it's rose gold and just like a pattern on it. And lastly, I got this one from the Saint-Tropez collection. I do have the other items from it, but I just love this floral, and then the hints of the rose gold in the little berries. And I can cut apart this side if I want to, but I mainly got it for this side. So that is the loose 12 by 12 sheets that I picked up. I also have been wanting to try these waxes, the Metalique, I think that's what it's called. This one is the Art Alchemy Metalique in Rose Gold. And this one is the Art Alchemy Opal Magic and Royal Robes. So this is the color that it comes out to. Frank was saying that in certain lighting, it can have a different hue to it. So I really wanted to try these out because I follow Tiffany Solorio and she uses these a lot and recommends them, so I really wanted to give them a try. So I picked these two up. I also got a bunch of these pearls, and I don't know what millimeter they are, but they're super cute, and I don't have anything this tiny. So I would like to think that they're probably 3 millimeters, but that's just a guesstimate. So I got the baby pink, the blue, and I think, I don't know, but it might be slightly bigger than these, or they might be the same size. And the mint, and then this one is a bigger size for the pearls, and this one is like a cross between the mint and the blue. So I'm gonna have fun playing with those. I also picked up one of his lace packs, and mainly because of this dangle trim right here. I didn't even open it yet. Sorry for the crinkle. But you do get quite a bit for $5. So look how pretty this is. Super, super pretty. I love this. And it's super thick. Great quality. So I think that's about a yard in that. And then there's this eyelet. Super cute, like daisies on it. And then this small trim, which I thought was very interesting because I've never seen anything like this. So it has like these teeny tiny tassels. And this looks like it's more than a yard, but you do get a good amount for the price. And the rest of the items are from the Santa Baby collection that he had just put out. I know some stores are doing some pre-orders. I think Blue Moon Scrapbooking does have some of his collection. You can also go to his website, and I will put that link in the description box below. But I fell in love with this when Anna was showing it. I'm going to just briefly go over the items. Anna does a much more in-depth look through, like all the ephemera and all the pages. So I will link that video down in the description box below if you guys want a closer look. So let's take a look. So I got the 3x4 journaling cards, and those are the images. And it is so stinking adorable. These are double-sided, so the reverse side does have this pink, like polka dot bouquet kind of pattern to it. Aren't these so precious? And I do love non-traditional Christmas colors. But the great thing about this collection is that you don't have to just use it for Christmas. I mean, there are some Christmassy images, like a Santa, but, and like these bulbs, but macaroons, you can always cover up the sentiment if you don't want to use it for Christmas. Look how stinking adorable the Santa is. Seriously, I love these soft pastel colors, and these would just be really cute to make a quick card. Then I also got the 4x6, and I think some of the images are similar, but I don't think they're all exactly the same. This has the same pink polka dotted pattern on the reverse side. It's just so shabby too. Look how pretty. And these can be used to make some quick cards as well. super cute presents. Look at that snowman. I love these coffee mugs. And this is like a sweater pattern, which I love. Cute trees and houses. So super cute. I picked up the Sate and Crystals because look at them, they are gorgeous. This is like a milk glass looking one in the white and the mint. These are flatter and they have a sparkle in them, just like these. So I'm glad I got more of the glittery ones because you guys know me and my glitter. I did actually pick up one of the flowers just because I do not have this color in my stash. So this is the mint color and so pretty. So I think these are fabric. And then you get some fabric leaves in here as well. So love this. I don't know if there's no name on it. I did get the ephemera pack and there are a ton of pieces. First of all, there's 61 and there are like half of them are these acetate ones. Sorry for that glare. And then these super cute images, and they are pink foiled. That's what I love about this collection, the pink foiling. So that is what is included in this. And like I said, Anna does open her packs up and she shows you each one of them if you guys want to go over and take a look. Of course, I had to get the chipboard stickers. And look how cute, and then the pink foiling on this. It is just so pretty. And then here's the other side. I love this gingerbread house. Look at these cute like Ugg looking boots. So cute. Love it. And then the rest is paper. So I did grab the 6x6 just because I just love working with 6x6. These are double-sided. I'm just going to do a really quick flip through. I'll do this side first and then I will flip it over for the reverse side. I mean, can we just say shabby? I just love it. So that is one side. And then what I love about Prima is that you get, I think, 4 sheets or 4 or 5 sheets of each. So I don't always feel so bad cutting things apart because there are plenty to work with. I did grab the A4. I tend to like working with the A4 just when the 6x6 is too small. Sometimes when I have the 12x12, it's a lot of waste, just depending on the project that I'm working on. But again, I'll flip through really quickly. It's the same, just bigger print from the 6x6. So pretty. I'll do the reverse side in a second. Look at that image. It just looks like glitter heaven. And these super cute cut aparts. And he just looks so jolly. I love it. And here is the back. I mean, the great thing about the 12x12 is that it has the beautiful pink foiling, but I could also get that in the loose 12x12 sheets. How cute! I cannot wait to make some projects with this. And I do love like the neutrals so that you can use them as just mats. So that is the A4. And then of course I did have to pick up some of the 12 by 12s. This one actually is from the Havana collection. I shared this in my haul from the grand opening, and I was wondering why I only picked up one, so I had to pick up another one. This is my favorite sheet out of all of the designs in the Havana collection, which I still have yet to cut into, but I will soon, hopefully. And that is the back. So these are the one from Santa Baby. So I got the one with the cut aparts, and as you can see, the beautiful pink foiling. Gorgeous. And then that is the back. And just look at how shabby that is. It is gorgeous. And I love the collage look of it. And I got this cut apart one. And I love these two deer. Super, super cute. And just love the incorporation of the little macaroons. Super pretty. And then this is with the trees and the houses. I love this one with all the cocoa mugs and cups. And then in between it has these cupcakes. And of course he put like one of my two favorite patterns together. So it's like, why did I only get one of this? See, this is what I do. But I had to stop myself. And I just love this with the pink foiling. So that is all I picked up from the Santa Baby collection. And I did pick up one other thing. Frank does have other items in his shop that's not just Prima. So I saw the Doodlebug washi tape. This is the unicorn, which I actually did pick it up before, but as a gift, and I actually never picked it up for myself. So I saw it there and I grabbed it. So I don't know if you guys have seen this. I'm sure you have. It's been out for a while. But how stinking adorable are those? So that is my haul from Frank Garcia Studio. Like I said, I will have his link to his website down in the description box below, as well as Anna's video when she is showing you the entire Santa Baby collection, because it's more in depth. And I hope you guys are having a great week so far, and I really appreciate you guys stopping by. If you guys haven't already, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure to hit that bell icon so that you know whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.